Hello students. Today we will do question number 5 of exercise 6.4. In this question you are given a triangle ABC and the midpoints of its sides D, E and F are given. When you join these midpoints, the triangle is divided into 4 triangles, and in this question you need to find out the ratio of the area of this triangle, the central triangle, triangle DEF, is to the ratio of the area of the main triangle, that is triangle ABC. So I hope everybody is clear. This is a given triangle. D, E and F are the midpoints of AB, BC and AC respectively. You need to find out the ratio of the area of this triangle, DEF, and the triangle ABC. So this triangle DEF and triangle ABC. The ratio of area of these two triangles you need to find out. Children, I will let you people recall midpoint theorem that you did in class 9th. So D and F are the midpoints of AB and AC. Therefore, DF is the line joining midpoints of two sides of the triangle. So we can say that this is equal to half of the third side. So DF is equal to half of BC. Similarly, DE is half of AC, and similarly EF is half of AB. All these three things are by midpoint theorem. Now, this implies DF by BC is half, DE by AC is half, EF by AB is half. So, let us see the sequence that we have got in this. D, F, DE and EF all are in numerator. So the sides of small triangles are in numerator. BC, AC and AB. BC, AC and AB. They are in denominator. So sides of the bigger triangle are in denominator. And the ratio of their sides are all equal to half. That means we can say all the three sides of this triangle are proportional to the three sides of this triangle, as the ratio of all of them is equal to half. If the ratio of ratio of the sides of two triangles are proportional, we can say that the triangles are similar by SSS. As all the three sides are giving us ratio 1:2, 1:2, 1:2, that means we can say that these two triangles are similar by SSS similarity. And by area theorem of similarity, we know that if the triangles are similar, the ratio of their area is equal to ratio of the square of their corresponding sides. So that means area of triangle DEF, it should be area of triangle DEF upon area of triangle ABC should be equal to DF upon BC whole square. DF upon BC is half, so its square will be 1:4. So we can say that the ratio of the area of these two triangles is 1:4. Now, this is question number 6, and this question you are given two triangles ABC and PQR, and AD and PM are their medians. You need to prove that if these two triangles are given similar, then you need to prove that the ratio of the area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle PQR is equal to ratio of the square of their median. That means AD square by PM square. These are their median. So ratio of their median is AD by PM. We have to prove that the ratio of their area is equal to ratio of their median and take the square of that. This we need to prove. Okay. So now children, as we are given these two triangles are similar, if these two triangles are similar, that means ratio of their corresponding sides are equal. Therefore, AB by PQ, AB by PQ, BC by QR and AC by PR all are equal as the triangles are given similar. And if the triangles are similar, then the ratio of their area is equal to ratio of square of their corresponding side. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB upon PQ whole square. Let us take this one as first and this one as second. Now, as the triangle ABC is given similar to triangle PQR, so we can say that AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. AB by PQ is equal to BC upon QR. Now multiply and divide both by half. With this, half BC is BD. Half BC is BD. This is BD. And half QR is QM. So with this, you will get AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM. AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM. And this angle B is equal to angle Q as they are the angles of similar triangles. So in this two small triangle, one triangle is here and the other triangle is here. You have seen the ratio of two sides AB and PQ, BD by QM. They are equal and the angle between these two sides, angle B and angle Q, are equal. Therefore, we can say that these two small triangles are similar. And if these two small triangles are similar, all their sides are proportional. Therefore, AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM. And let us replace this AB by PQ in second with this AD by PM to get the desired result. I hope you are able to understand it. Let's do question number 7. In this question number 7, you are given a square ABCD and one equilateral triangle is drawn on its one of the sides. That means in this triangle ABP, all the sides are equal. They are equilateral. It is equilateral triangle. So all the three sides are equal to AB. And here DB is the diagonal of the square. And again an equilateral triangle is made taking all its sides equal to BD. Therefore, BD, PQ, DQ all are equal and this is again an equilateral triangle. So, in this question you are given ABCD is a square ABP an equilateral triangle and BDQ another equilateral triangle. You need to prove or you need to find out the ratio of area of this triangle and the ratio of area of this triangle. So these two triangles, you need to find out the ratio of their areas. So children, as these both triangles are equilateral triangle, so all the angles of this triangle are also 60 degree and angles of these triangles are also equal to 60 degree. So we can say all the angles of this triangle are equal to all the angles of this triangle. So we can say triangle ABP is similar to triangle DBQ by AAA similarity, as both are equilateral triangles. And you know that the ratio of the area of similar triangles is equal to ratio of the square of their corresponding side. So I will take one side of this triangle as AB and the ratio of the corresponding side will be BD and its square. Now we are given that ABCD is a square, and if it is a square, so AB is its side and DB is its diagonal. And we know that if this is A, then its diagonal is square root 2A. So let us replace AB by A and DB by square root 2A. This A and A will get cancelled, and when you take this square, it will be 1 by 2. Therefore, area of triangle ABP is equal to half the area of triangle DBQ. With this, we come to the end of this video. We will meet with the other questions in my next video. Till then, bye bye.